Department, Masigarbo sa Suko.
2008.
Okay, sorry, nasayang ko, Masigarbo sa Pasko ay it's a different feeling. Manjud na you will be standing here facing all these students. So, pati ako makumpaan sa... By the way, good afternoon. Ano yung our Kirby?
Good afternoon.
Okay, so, students, why are we all here? Ganun naman na diri.
So, from the title pa lang, Masigarbo sa Pasko, happy na Pasko.
Okay, so we will all be witnessing different kinds of talents from our very own high school students.
I didn't know what to do. I didn't know that I had number. Anyway, when I saw you this afternoon, I really appreciate it. Because what we saw last year was a different scenario. I was there already. Pero naganay programa, langas kaayo, unya, samok pagod kayo. When I saw you this afternoon, I told Mr. Mante, this is the one I really like. So we hope that in the programs that we will have in the future, in Nani and Exora, no? Are you listening to me? Okay. So, salamat kayo kay tuman mo sa atong sabot. Kahit programa, we really will have to listen, pay attention. And the numbers that we will be presenting this afternoon, I know that these are very, very entertaining numbers. I heard about it, and we hope that everyone will be entertained. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Agapito P. Jr.